Hi, my name is Youngbae-son. I majored in Library and Information Science and I am junior at SKKU. From now, I present my our ontology about history of Korea. This is my table of contents. First, introduction, second, our ontology, and third, top-rate composer instance. In first page, I'll tell you purpose, scope, and target audience of my our ontology. Second page is our ontology. I present about brainstorming, mains classes, object properties and data type properties, and diagram of my Korean history ontology. And lastly, I will show you top-rate composer instance with each classes and properties. Also, I'll tell you how to enter historical data into my ontology using top-rate composer program. First thing is purpose. Lately, there are many issues about Korean modern and contemporary history textbook in our country. Many people, including students, teachers, and politicians, are concerned for these history textbook issues, and I'm also one of them, so I decided to treat this subject as my ontology subject. And there are thesaurus terms of Korean history, which is 한국 역사 용어 시소러스 in Korean. In this system, people can easily find information they want. However, it does not provide well-defined connections between each information or subject. So it is very hard to know about interclass relationship. Therefore, I would like to give an accurate information of history of Korea well connected between classes with my Korean history ontology. Second is scope. As I already mentioned, my ontology subject is history of Korea. Our country has a history of 5,000 years, but I limit range from modern to contemporary history. Modern history is from 1863 to 1945. 1863 means coming to throne of King Gojong, and 1945 means Liberation Day of Korea from the Japanese Empire. Then, after 1945, August 15th, we call contemporary age. Last thing is target audience. My Korean history ontology's target audience is everyone who are interested in Korean history. Scholars who study deep into history, students who study Korean history in their schools, and the general public who are interested in this topic can use and access my ontology. Next, our ontology. To create our ontology, I had brainstorming. There are many words related to Korean modern and contemporary history. President, movement, organization, event, independence fighters, etc. Among these many words, I picked up major keywords. As you can see in this slide, I chose from list of many words. Then there was some overlapped components when it was categorized. So I removed duplicate keywords. I combined president, general, independence fighters, and politicians to person, and period, age, and century to period, and lastly movement, battle, and event to event. So there are 5 classes in my Korean history ontology: person, period, country, organization, and event. I think these 5 classes are very important in terms of searching and browsing by users. And there are 18 object properties between 5 classes. Each class are all connected to one another, excluding organization and country. Belongs to, is in action, lived in, things like those are all object properties in my ontology. I'll give you more detailed explanation in later. Also, I made some data type properties for my classes. Person has date of birth, date of death, place of birth, and portrait. And country has capital, country map, national flag, and term of existence. Organization has date of foundation, and event has date of occurrence, event related photo, and place of occurrence. Period does not have any data type properties. I think that showing relationship between classes is more important than just data type properties of each class. So I made relatively small number of data type properties. Nevertheless, if I have a chance to extend my Korean history ontology later, I'll make more class object properties and also data type properties. And this is my diagram of Korean history ontology. It was very hard to label each object properties and inverse of relationships, especially event organization, event to person, event to country. Relationships were very difficult. All of these relationships mean relevance or relation between two classes. So I did my best to label with unity, accessibility as much as possible. Last page is top-rate composer instance. I'll show class resource form, object property form, and data type properties, RDF schema range. This is resource form of person. And this is for country resource form. Organization form. And event resource form. Lastly, period is resource form. And this is object property form. For example, the name belongs to is object property between class person and class organization. So you can see RDF schema domain is person and RDF schema range is organization. And it also shows you our inverse of relationship has person. And as I told you before, there are 18 object properties in my Korean history ontology. I can tell you these properties have unity and accessibility, as you can see. Lastly, there are 12 data type properties, 4 properties for person, 4 properties for country, 1 property for organization, and 3 properties for event. And these are separated to 3 categories in terms of RDF schema range. Capital, place of birth, place of occurrence, term of existence are XSD string, date of birth, date of death, date of foundation, and date of occurrence are XSD date. And lastly, country map, event-related photo, national flag, and portrait are XSD any URI. Then, how we can enter or put data into my Korean history ontology. I'll show you how to do with one good example. Maybe you remember Sewol ferry disaster. It was very sad accident. We Korean must remember this tragic affair forever. Click Event and Instance tab, and then click the Create Instance button. Then type the name 세월호 참사. Then one instance are created. After that, enter the data into each property. Sewol ferry disaster happened in 2014, April 16th. And there are many photos related to this disaster on the web. So copy the URI on the web. And this disaster has relevance to Cheonghaejin Marine Corporation, but there is no data about Cheonghaejin Marine Corporation. So click the Create and Add button. And then type Cheonghaejin Haeun. Then it is related to 대한민국. So add existing 대한민국. And it links to Park Geun-hye, who is 18th President Korea. Also, data about Park Geun-hye is not exist yet, so you have to create it. Create and add. Type Park Geun-hye. And this accident occurred 21st century and contemporary age. So click 21st century and 현대. The place of occurrence is 대한민국 전라남도 진도군 조도면 부근 해상. So type that. So we made one instance of event, but two class, person Park Geun-hye and organization Cheonghaejin Haeun, are produced in the process of event instance creation. So click the person and instance tab and find Park Geun-hye. She belongs to 새누리당. And she was born in 대한민국. Her date of birth is 1952, February 2nd. And she is still alive, so there is no date of death. And she lived in 20th century and 21st century and 현대. and 현대. Her place of birth is 대한민국 경상북도 대구시 삼덕동. So type it. And her portrait URI is as follow. This is her portrait. And then next go to organization and find 청해진 해운. The date of foundation is 1999, March 10th. It has relevance to 세월호 참사, is in action, 20th century, 21st century, and 현대. In this way, you can enter data and make many instances easily. It was my Korean Modern and Contemporary History Ontology presentation, and thank you for listening.